Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the Lost Acolyte. This is one of the coolest and loudest sabers to come out of KR Sabers in a while, and boy am I just so excited to show it off. So why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so we have the Lost Acolyte brought to us by KR Sabers. This design is by Chris Gobin, who, obviously this was a home run. This thing is just so nice. There are a lot of components to this, but the nice things are that there's a lot of accessibility. It's kind of quality of life stuff. So this greebly right here is actually your thumb screw for your blade retention and your to hold in your blade and your blade plug. The saber has a really awesome activation box where I have right now set up. The top is power and the bottom is your auxiliary. All of the grips here are machined aluminum. There is a genuine leather wrap around here, around the activation box area. And the anodizing is really gorgeous. There's red and black anodizing. And then there's Arabesh etched into the aluminum decorative area right here. What's really nice is that these holes actually allow light to shine through, so you get your blade and your blade plug to illuminate that area, along with the chassis actually lights up these lights or greeblies on the side of the box. To access the chassis, you would unscrew the pommel from, this area. Put that to the side. This whole back aluminum section can unthread also, but you want to remove all of this. Put that to the side. The chassis has a J-lock system that's based off of the CoverTech wheel, so you need to twist it to the right, and then you can pull it out. And you can actually see the J-lock right here. So I'll focus in on that. But you have your J-lock right here. And then you would basically, there's a channel here, but really you want to just make sure that when you're inserting this into the saber, that this lines up with the CoverTech so that you can lock it into place. So that's the only thing you need to watch out for when you're assembling or disassembling this into the saber. You have a high amp kill switch, an 18650 lithium ion battery, Proffieboard V3.9, a 28mm bass speaker. You have 2 accent neopixels underneath these crystals right here. There are 2 accent neopixels on the switch PCB, and then you have a stock ECO neopixel connector. The saber also comes with 5 Kyberphonic dark side fonts.
How pleasant of you to join us.
So I personally like the Dooku font on basically everything that's dark side. I just think it's the best sounding dark side saber. It hits all those notes for me. So once you get the saber assembled into this, or the chassis assembled into the saber, you'll see that these start blinking, and then to turn it on you would just tap the top. This is The Claw by Kyberphonic. I frickin' love this font. It sounds so good. That pre-on is so nice. So nice. There's 5 other fonts on here that range from Kylo to Darth Vader. Just to give you that dark side feel for this saber. It really just obviously is the Lost Acolyte. It's a dark side saber, so I figured appropriately all the fonts should be red. Mace Windu is on here also for a purple blade. And of course there's color changing should you want to change color for any of the actual blades. So let's put a blade in here. This takes a 7/8 blade, and it's just as easy as that. Bam. So cool. This is easily one of my favorite sabers. It's not a fingerprint magnet. It's a dark side saber, and the functionality and the usability of it is just very friendly. Let's see, the positive is set up towards the speaker. So these batteries are all marked with a negative and a positive, and your negative is towards the kill switch and your positive is towards the speaker. Just always remember to put it in that way and you'll be okay.
I've become more powerful than any Jedi.
So really, really awesome build. This thing is just stellar, and I can't say enough good things about it. I would definitely go and grab one while you can, because I think there were only 100 made, so definitely get them while they're available. Let's, this has been here the whole time. How about that? Let's wrap this video up, huh? Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome installs just like this one. If you are looking to get a Lost Acolyte installed, well, you could always just purchase this one. It'll be available in the ready to ship section of my website, which is sabersforever.com. If you have any inquiries about any of the lightsabers on the ready to ship page or the commission page or the KR installation page, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com and I'd be happy to answer any inquiries that you have. I am always available. As usual, you can find Sabers Forever merch on my website under the apparel page. That stuff is just ready to go all the time, and it's a good way to support yours truly. So I really appreciate anyone supporting the brand. Oh, I guess that's it for this video. So why don't we just wrap it up, and I'll see you guys on the next time. May the Force be with you. Gotta charge this battery.